10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Start. The present application has been filed under section 11 in bracket 6 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996 in bracket for short the Act of 1996 bracket out for appointment of an arbitrator to settle the dispute between the petitioner and the respondents. Stop. The case of the petitioner, in brief, is that the respondent number 1 in bracket Tata Project Limited Company bracket out was allotted a work for the construction of a transmission line by the respondents number 2 to 4 in bracket Power Grid Corporation of India bracket out. Stop. According to the petitioner, the petitioner duly executed and completed the said contract to the satisfaction of the respondents. Stop para. The petitioner contends that after completing the work, the petitioner submitted his bills amounting to rupees 24,72,000. Stop. As the respondent number 1 failed to make the payment in favor of the petitioner, the petitioner served a legal notice on 10/3/2019 requesting for release of the payment. Stop. However, despite such notice, the respondents have not made the payment to the petitioner. Stop. It is contended by the petitioner that as per clause 17 of the work order issued by the respondent number 1 in favor of the petitioner on 26/10/2017, the respondent number 1 and the petitioner shall make every effort to resolve amicably by direct informal negotiation any disagreement or dispute arising between them either under or in connection with the contract, and the arbitration shall be carried out in accordance with and subject to the provisions of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996. Stop. It has been further provided that the venue of arbitration shall be Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, India. Stop. According to the petitioner, though the petitioner approached the respondents and requested them to settle his claim, for which the petitioner sent legal notice to the respondents on 10/3/2019, the respondents failed to accede to the request and hence, his attempt to settle the dispute amicably failed. Stop. Consequently, the petitioner was left with no alternative but to issue a legal notice to the respondents on 29/5/2019 for invoking para 17 of the work order, which provides that in case of any dispute between the parties, on the failure of any amicable settlement, the dispute is to be resolved by arbitration. Stop. However, despite this legal notice, the respondents did not respond. Stop. Accordingly, the present application has been filed for the appointment of an arbitrator by this court in terms of clause 17 of the contract agreement between the petitioner and respondent number 1. Stop para. The respondents number 2 to 4 in bracket Power Grid Corporation of India bracket out have rightly objected to their impleadment in this application, as they contend that there is no privity of contract between the respondents number 2 to 4 with the petitioner, in as much as the contract was between the petitioner and the respondent number 1, to which the respondents number 2 to 4 had no direct role to play. Stop. It was submitted that in terms of clause 15 of general conditions of contract executed between the respondents 2 to 4. Stop. Over. तो दोस्तों, ये 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड की डिक्टेशन है. ठीक है. एक्चुअली आदत है हमारी कि जितने का डिक्टेशन होता है, मतलब एग्ज़ाम होता है, उससे ज़्यादा स्पीड की डिक्टेशन हम देते हैं ताकि आपकी प्रैक्टिस बनी रहे और हाथों में स्पीड लगी रहे. ओके. तो घबराइए मत, इसको लीजिए और ट्रांसक्राइब करिए, पढ़िए और ऐसे सोचिए कि आपको 120 की तैयारी नहीं, 120 के एग्ज़ाम के लिए आपको 130 की तैयारी करनी है. ओके. तो चलिए इसको लीजिए, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, कमेंट करके बताइएगा कैसा लगा, क्या लगा. और जिनको तेज़ लगती है स्पीड, और 1000 बार हमने अपनी वीडियोज़ में कहा है कि ज़्यादा स्पीड की डिक्टेशन लेने से एक जो स्पीड आपको चाहिए है उसकी डिक्टेशन आपको हल्की लगेगी, लेकिन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है, लोग थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं। पर ठीक है, इसका जो PDF है वो हमने दिया नहीं है, इसलिए ताकि आप लोग वेबसाइट पे जाके ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकें अगर करने का मन हो तो, ठीक है। उसमें ऑटोमेटिक एरर्स करेक्ट करके मतलब रिज़ल्ट आपको दिखा देगा क्या मिस्टेक्स हैं क्या नहीं है, तो आप लोग जाके वहाँ पे ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकते हो उसको। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, बाय बाय।